Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of this very unique and powerful piece of software. It has already been used to help win multiple Group 1 races, millions of dollars in prize money, and champion horse and broodmare of the year titles. It's perfect for the novice right through to the expert wanting to learn even more. As you can see, it has the ability to display two separate pedigrees on screen at one time. This makes for discovering patterns and planning matings so much easier. The pedigrees can be worked together as one or operated individually. The main buttons to find a horse are the three at the very center of the icon bar here, and it's the search buttons. That's the icon of the torch to search, and choosing the very middle one will put the horse in this little white box and its sire in the left hand tree and its dam in the right hand tree, like this. This gives us a maximum of 8 generations on screen. It can be viewed in the left hand screen, just the stallion by itself, the right hand screen, just that tree by itself, horizontal, which actually shows the horse in question, and vertical is for printing. Alternatively, we can actually use the trees separately, so we would actually go to the left hand torch with the L here, search for the horse, and then we go to the right hand torch and search for a mare, and from here again you got to work in 6 or 7 generations, and now we have 2 different horses on screen. So we're going to compare the duplications between the two. So we start, these are in this icons here, and from clicking on this one we can see that the males have been highlighted are in blue, and the females that have been duplicated are highlighted in red. We can take it one step further and highlight those individual horses that have been duplicated with their family colours right through to their female families coloured. Now to clear the screen, we just click on a horse with the right mouse and it will move it to the root, and you can just click on the next one and it just clears the screen just like that. The other outstanding features of the software is be able to research the database. So this is the button next door to the torches, the blue button here, research progeny. So I click on that, and I want to study the progeny of a sire. So I click on new, and the sire will be in Costa del Lago. There he is. So it has gone into the database, and it has found 259 horses by in Costa del Lago, and it's brought up all these pedigrees with the higher performing ones first. And this is just a snippet of their racetrack performance. So from there we come up onto these arrows on the right hand side of the torches, and we can click on these arrows and it will actually go through the list of 259 horses, and the highest performing to the lower performing horses. So you can go back to the beginning of the list, go to the end of the list, go through the list. And you can view it either any way you want to. You can do it in 6 generations with just the males in blue and the females in red, or you can move it out to 7 generations. You can have the horses coloured, which reveals more. It is a very, very fast way to research and learn about pedigrees. Or when you get really good, you can have all the colours on and do it that way. Alternate way to research, it would be to study daughters at stud. So I want to see in Costa de Lager daughters at stud. Again, it's brought up 143 horses in the higher performing first, and I can study it any way I like. Another wonderful feature of the program is you can build up a list of your own list, make up a list of your own list. This can be either stallions or broodmares or whatever you like. And some of the ones that are made up is a list of all the stallions at the moment in Australia. So I load that on the left hand tree, starting with A. You can reorder that list any way you wanted to. You can order it by highest service fee, so we start off with the highest service fee first, and you can scroll through that list. So what we do is put the mare on this side of the tree, so I'm going to mate this mare with every stallion in Australia, and this can be done very, very quickly just by clicking through the slideshow. Again, you can actually go whatever level that you like. And you can go as fast as you like. You can see it's a very efficient piece of software. Save enormous amount of time. It will reveal more patterns than any other software out there. It has already helped a number of users breed Group 1 winners, and I hope can help you too. So by joining the Champions Club, this software is included, and I hope it sets you on your path to breeding a champion racehorse.